skater life. Greetings, everyone. Thank you to everyone tuning in right now. Always appreciate the views, likes, comments, restaurant recommendations. Remember that we are currently doing a sneaker giveaway. All you have to do to participate is comment your Instagram, what city you're watching these videos from, and a pair of shoes that I've reviewed on this channel that you want. And you have to get that comment submitted by August 31st, 2021, because I'll be putting the names into a wheel of names on September 1st, and that will select randomly the winners for this sneaker giveaway. Now, in the past, I've been a bit of a hater toward the shoe that we're going to be talking about today. I was just never really into the silhouette, but I want you guys to know that you can always change your mind on anything, and you shouldn't feel any way about it. That is called growth. Today, we're talking about the Nike Women's Dunk Low Lime Ice. Of course, this is a women's sneaker and it is not my size, but I do have a special guest who is going to provide the on-foot portion of the video today. But look at this dope colorway. I always love a light Easter scheme, and I feel like women's sneakers get these colorways fairly often. These released on July 31st via the Sneakers app for $100 US. Of course, I took an L and had to go for these via resale, which wasn't bad at the time of purchasing them. It was just about $20 more. Anyway, let's dive in and check out the features of the Nike Dunk Low Lime Ice. So the base of the sneaker is this smooth pink leather with some perforations at the toe so that your feet can breathe. And on top of the pink, you have more layers of leather stacked on. You have some lime green overlays enclosing the toe cap and lining those eyelets, and then also swooping around to the rear of the sneaker. And of course, you probably noticed another layer of leather on this shoe already. You have this ghost blue Nike swoosh extending from the rear of the sneaker over to the lateral and medial sides of the sneaker. And one more thing with the green layer of leather, you do have one patch right there at the back of the sneaker where Nike is written out in stitching. The tongue of the Lime Ice is a pink nylon extending from that pink leather toe. And you have a lime green banner at the tip of the toe displaying that Nike logo. Your outsole is more of that beautiful lime green, and it's your typical Nike Dunk sole. Nike logo smack dab in the middle of the sole, and you also have all these stars lining the forefront of the sneaker. Well, that was kind of quick, but that might be everything with the Nike Women's Dunk Low Lime Ice. So let's check in with our special guest and see what these look like on foot. I think it's a great colorway. Women's colorways are always so vibrant, so creative, and they offer you a good mix of tones. You can really rock these with a lot, especially because I don't think matching really matters anymore. But let me know in the comments if you were able to pick up a pair of the Nike Dunk Low Lime Ice by commenting W or L. Maybe you have different thoughts on these sneakers overall. Leave all that in the comments. Write me a book. Write me a Bible. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this brief review of the Nike Dunk Low Lime Ice. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this part of the video, comment Dunkaroos. Those are really good. And remember to get in on the sneaker giveaway by August 31st. Alright, see you all on the next one. Peace.